Hello guys, welcome to Define Agile. My name is Anatoly, and in this channel we are talking everything Agile tools. And today we're going to talk about JIRA, and a lot of you ask me, how do I turn off JIRA email notifications? So I want to go for that today to show you how to do it. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. But before we do, two things. If you guys want to learn JIRA from basic to advanced, know stuff like groups and permissions and estimations, all those kind of things, workflow conditions, you can get my course. Just go to get my help section in the description for the video. Click on the course. It's very affordable and it takes you about a day to go from basic to advanced. And the second thing is, if you guys are completely stuck and you need somebody to help you out, solve your JIRA issues or Agile, anything, you can schedule a time with me or somebody from my team. Go to get my help section, click on the calendar link, and you can directly schedule yourself into our calendar. So now, since those two things are out of the way, let's talk about how to turn off notifications in JIRA. To do that, you need to click on the avatar on the top right corner, and then you need to go to personal settings. And here in your personal settings, there's a thing called email notifications for issue activity. You can say send email notification, or you can say don't send email notifications. And then you can also choose which one not to send. Like if you want to get rid of whatever you're watching, whatever you're assigned to, or somebody mentions you and don't want to get anything at all, you can click on that. If you want to do selective unchecking, you can do whatever I did. Or if you don't want to do anything, again, you can click on don't send email notifications, click save changes, and here you go. The JIRA will not send you those notifications anymore. Hope it helps. If you think that brought you value, please like and subscribe, because I'm releasing those videos almost every day, and your liking and subscribing helps me spread to more and more people. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next one. Bye bye.